Hey. Liam. Hey. Are you being naughty today? Can you put that away? Yep. Thank you. Pick up the other ones too. Pick up the other ones. Yeah. Good. Good, Liam. Thank you. Can you close the cupboard? Can you close it? I see your belly. Yep. Yay, Liam. Yay. Mwah. Mwah.